for JMC Films. I'm Claire and the film taker is Josh. And today we're going to show you how to make a paper boat. Okay, so first you fold the paper hamburger style like this. Then you turn around and make sure the folded part is on top, so the open part is on the bottom. And then you fold it in half. Then you fold that corner down till it's like this. Then you do the same way with the other side. Then then you fold this flap up and turn around and fold that flap up. And then you tuck one of them in and pull that one over. Then you do the same thing. Tuck in, pull over. And you can put tape there, but I'm not going to. And then you open it up till it's like a diamond. And then you take one of the flaps from the diamond and fold that up. But it's still a diamond. Then you turn around and do the same thing. Then open it up like the last time. So it's like that. And then it's a paper boat. Bye, guys.